So first of all, let us learn some properties of multiplication of integers. First one is closure under multiplication. As you can see, I have given one example. It means the product of two integers is an integer. Next is commutative property. As you can see in this example, if a and b are any two integers, then a into b will be equal to b into a. Next is associative property. You go through this example. It means if a, b and c are any integer, then a into b into c will be equal to a into b into c. Multiplication is distributive over addition. As you can see in this example, if a, b and c are any integers, then a into b plus c will be equal to a into b plus a into c. That means a will get multiplied with b first, then a will multiplied with c then. Let us now solve some problems related to this topic. So first one is, we have to find the product of minus 12 into minus 11 and minus 10. So it's better to multiply symbols first. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So 12 into 11 is 132, 132 into 10 is 1320. Next is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So what we will do, minus into minus plus into minus minus into minus plus. Okay. Then 6 into 3 into 2 into 1, it will be 36. The answer will be plus 36, or simply write 36. Next we have to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will write left hand side first. That means minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 4. It will be minus 21. So as per Bodmas rule, we have to solve this bracket first. Minus 6 into minus 4 is minus 10. Then we will multiply symbol, minus minus plus, and 21 into 10 is 210. This is the value for left hand side. Then let us solve right hand side. It is minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 21 into minus 4. So when you will multiply, it will be minus into minus plus 126 plus here also minus into minus plus 84. When you add them, you will get 210. So as you can see, the value of left hand side is equal to RHS, right hand side. So it is verified. In this question, we have to evaluate the following by using suitable property. That means, number 1, minus 8 into minus 2 into 3 into minus 5. So using suitable property means, if we get it together, then what we will get? We will get 10. So minus 8 into 3 is minus 24 into minus 2 into 5 minus 5 is 10. It will be minus 240. Number 2, it is given 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So what we will do, we will get it together Okay, why? Because if we multiply 25 into 4 we will get 100. So we have to write like this way: 15 into minus 10 into minus 25 into minus 4. So 15 into minus 10 is minus 150 into minus 25 into minus 4 is 100. So answer will be minus 15000. Number 3. 724 into minus 56 plus minus 724 into 44. So we will use the property, that means in both the side we can see minus 724 is common. 724 is common to both the side. So what we will do, we will take out 724. What will left? Minus 56 plus minus 44. Okay, so 724 minus 56 minus 44, it will be minus 100. So answer will be minus 72400. Number 4. Minus 39 into minus 97. So in this question the property that we are going to use is minus 39 into minus 97. We can write it as minus 100 plus 3. So we will multiply minus 39 to minus 100 first, like minus 39 into minus 100 plus minus 39 into 3. After that, we know minus 39 into 100 is 3900 plus minus 39 into 3 is minus 117. So when you will solve it, you will get 3783. A certain freezing point requires that room temperature be lowered from 32 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what will be the room temperature 8 hours after the freezing points begin? So we will write, for every 1 hour the temperature lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. The temperature lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. So for 8 hours it will lowered by 8 into 5, that means 40 degrees Celsius. So room temperature after the freezing point freezing process begins will be equal to 32 minus 40, that means minus 8 degree Celsius. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. So first question is, Rohit get 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answers. So what is his score? So total number of question is, total question is 10. For every correct answer, it will rewarded 5 marks, and for every incorrect answer it is deducting 2 marks. So first question, Rohit gets 4 correct and 5 incorrect answer. So Rohit's score will be 4 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2. That means 20 minus 12, it will be 8. Number 2, Seema gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. So what is her score? So Seema's score is equal to 5 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. That means 25 minus 10, it will be 15. Now third question, Ritu attempted 7 questions and get only 2 correct answers. So what is her score? So as Ritu attempted 7 questions and only 2 questions are correct, so number of incorrect, so the number of incorrect questions is equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So her score, that means Ritu's score, is equal to 2 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. That means 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So I hope this video of the topic integer is clear to you. In next video we will learn some more topic. So till then, keep practicing at home, and thank you.